Recently in Wabek district in Enga Province, 3 women were brutally tortured and murdered. The 60-year-old daughter of a victim, Leniata Kapari, who was tortured and burnt alive in Western Highlands Province, was also tortured in Surinkli but was saved and is in the care of Piniti Tribal Foundation.
Something has to be done. Women are being raped, getting away with it. So-called prophets who are called, agents of Satan, coming here and saying that they know what the sorcerers are. They are getting away with it here in Enga.
The theme at the Enga Development Forum was effectively addressing law and order issues in Enga and the way forward. Sir Peter Ipatas said the way forward in addressing sorcery-related violence and death is getting perpetrators prosecuted.
For me, there must be zero tolerance, as I have stated, on sorcery. So whoever is promoting sorcery can challenge me. If he thinks that sorcery is true, then he should come and tell me that sorcery is true. He has to prove it. Otherwise, it's just an assumption, it's just fake and taking innocent lives. And this has to stop.
Kukum is the acting director for community development in Enga. She says that sorcery-related violence and death is another form of gender-based violence in Enga, and most of the victims are women and girls.
Where is justice in these cases? And what can we say to this sorcery and witchcraft-related violence? It does not have substantial evidence that points to sorcery and witchcraft as the root cause of death. It is only speculation. It is an accusation-based violence. Therefore, because all the perpetrators tend to be male and all the victims tend to be female, it is another phase of gender-based violence.
The community development in Enga received a 150,000 kina grant each year from the provincial government and has already held workshops to have participants to go to communities and educate on sorcery-related violence.
And we have to pursue it beginning 2018 on advocating.
Meanwhile, member for Wabek, Dr. Lino Tom, says that there is a lot of lifestyle diseases in Enga and postmortems could be a possible way of convincing relatives that the disease did not die from sorcery.
We need to establish medically, scientifically, that deaths are actually caused by real illnesses and not those sorcery-related causes. So I think it needs a lot of education and it needs a lot of involvement from people of all sectors, the churches, for example.
He also wants to get university students involved in awareness and advocacy, not only on sorcery-related violence, but also on other issues.
We would use some of those funds to ask the students to go out to the communities to help educate our people, not only on sorcery-related violences, but on many other issues like HIV/AIDS, on doing SMEs. A lot of people, through lack of knowledge, they can't build up their businesses. So there's a lot of issues that we can address.
Adelaide Sirks, Kari National, EMTV News.